Hi, my name is Kaela Fennell-Chin, and I'm part of Challenge 2014, and I'm going to be doing interactive learning number 5. My problem that we're going to be doing is trying to integrate these two functions multiplied by each other, which is xlnx dx. And to take the integral of this, you're going to have to use something called integration by parts, and the formula for integration by parts is the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus the integral of v du. And in order to figure out which one of our functions is going to be u and which one is going to be dv, we're going to use something called ILATE. So if I'm going to write it out, I-L-A-T-E. So the first one stands for inverses. The second one is logarithms. The next one is algebraic functions, then trig, then exponential functions. And as you start from the top and go to the bottom, these ones at the top are most likely going to be u, while the ones at the bottom are most likely going to be dv. So we have x and ln x. So this one, since it is an algebraic function, it's most likely going to be u rather, actually no, log, which is closer to u, is going to be u. So this, which is a log function, is going to be u, while x is going to be closer to dv. Okay, so now we're going to set it up. So u is equal to ln x du. The derivative of ln x, which we learned in previous lessons, is going to be 1 over x. Then dv is going to be x. And then v, which is the integral of x, is going to be x squared over 2. And we learned to take the integral, you're going to add 1. So the exponent of x is 1, so you're going to add 1 to x, and then you're going to divide by n plus 1, which is also 2. So you have x squared divided by 2. So now we're going to plug everything here into the formula up here. So we're going to have the integral of u, which is ln x, times dv, which is x. So x ln x dx is equal to u times v, u times v, so x squared over 2 times ln x minus the integral of v, x squared over 2 du times 1 over x dx. So now this is actually what we have up here, so we're seeing we're going along with the process to find the integral of this. So we can simplify this and just put ln x squared all divided by 2 minus. Okay, so now we're going to take the integral of this, but first we can simplify. So since you have an x at the bottom and x at the top, you can cross out this one, and that's just going to be x. So you're going to have x over 2 dx. Okay, so now that this is simplified, we can take the integral. So to take the integral, you're going to add 1 and then divide by n plus 1. So we're going to have x squared over 2 times, bring down the 2. So then the dx goes away because you're taking the integral. So you just bring the rest of this down. So now what we have is ln x squared over 2 minus x squared over 4 plus c, which is equal to the integral of x ln x dx. So this is your final answer.